Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm up in Glasgow just now. I'm going to take you into this arcade here. It's absolutely some mess. Wait till we see this, folks. Full of graffiti. It's like New York, the Bronx, but it's in Glasgow. Not a very nice place. Look at it. What a shithole. Give you a wee spin in there, folks. Nice graffiti. What a shithole. Must admit, folks, the graffiti in here, beautiful. Look at that one. These ones are the Eagle, are belters. Banksy, do you think you could do that? Doubt it. Let me know what city's the best for graffiti. Broken glass, shit everywhere, what a mess. I heard this place used to be nice. There's two guys up there arguing with each other, so I'll just get away from them. Look at this, folks, here. Quite nice, isn't it? These eagles, beautiful. Give you a spin round here, folks, let's see what it's like. I don't recommend you come in here at night time. This is one of the entrances that you can come in. I don't recommend it. I don't know if you can hear it, folks. I just seem to be standing on glass everywhere I go. Apparently, this is already people come up here at night time and drink. This is another entrance that you can come into. I've seen this one here, folks. Big eagle getting ready to eat the wee squirrel. That's the guy's name, he's doing it all. Brilliant. This guy's amazing. This is more of his stuff. Fucking brilliant, this guy, isn't he? Well, folks, let me know what you think of the video. These guys are good. Well folks, I'm going to wrap this video up now. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, hit a bell down below please. Thanks for your support.